The other day I was bored. I couldn't find anyone doing a champ, because normally I don't do champ spawns myself, just do the last level or kill the boss. But I thought I'd try doing a champ for the first time, and I really sucked balls at the first level. I've got a weapon here that shouldn't suck because it's got like 70 area, 50 hit lightning, and I'm trying to do whirlwind, and the problem was that the creature was dying from the hit lightning, because what happened was, after the hit lightning hits first, and then it doesn't seem to hit area when we do the whirlwind. Well, this is like 50% of the time, because if the creature dies on that 21 damage lightning, you don't actually get the other hit. So I've got already a similar weapon. This time I've swapped the lightning for fireball, and hopefully that should resolve said issue.